We've just acquired this Ford Fiesta 1.6 diesel sport. It's in absolute stunning condition. The price is the price. There is no VAT on top. It's a big bonus. You've got the front lip spoiler, alloys, colour coded wing mirrors, high level rear spoiler, lip spoiler on the sport, really sets it off. Boots in immaculate condition. Even got the carpet mats, rubber mats rather. And inside, got the USB and AUX point, climate control, air conditioning. It's done 93,557 miles. Like I say, it's the best I think for its age and mileage. It's in superb condition throughout. If you require any further information, please give us a call. 07 503 751 005. Remember, this has got the bonus of you do not have to pay VAT on top. It's not VAT qualified. Thank you. Bye bye.